I will take the next few minutes to go through market statistics for February of 2018 and provide you with some commentary on the impact of recent government policy and what we should expect moving forward. I will start with sales. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 5,175 residential transactions through TREB's MLS system in February of 2018. This result was down 34.9% compared to the record 7,955 sales reported in February of 2017. Demand was down compared to last year, and supply was up with a number of new listings entered into TREB's MLS system totaling 10,520, and this was a 7.3% increase compared to 9,801 new listings entered in February of 2017. However, the level of new listings remained below the average for the month of February for previous 10 years. TREB's outlook for 2018 anticipated a slow start to the year compared to the historically high sales count reported in winter and early spring of 2017. Prospective home buyers are still coming to terms with the effect of Ontario Fair Housing Plan, and some have also had to re-evaluate their plans due to new stress test guidelines and generally higher borrowing costs. Now let's take a quick look at both supply and demand and see how the interrelationship between these two influences the price change. The MLS Home Price Index Composite Benchmark was up by 3.2% on a year-over-year basis for TREB's market areas as a whole. This growth was driven by apartment and townhomes market segment with annual benchmark price increase of 18.8% and 7.5% respectively. Single-family detached and attached home benchmark prices were down slightly compared to February of 2017. The overall average selling price for February sales was down 12.4% year over year to $767,818. However, putting aside the price spike reported in first quarter of 2017, it is important to note that the February's average prices remain 12% higher than the average reported for February of 2016, which represents an annual increase well above the rate of inflation for the past 2 years. As we move further into spring and summer months, growth and sales and selling prices are expected to pick up relative to last year. Expect stronger growth to continue in comparatively more affordable townhomes and condominium apartment segments. This means that the listing supply will probably remain below the average in many areas in GTA, which over the long term could reduce the affordability even further.